When we arrived, this was 5-year-old Kian's room. He's autistic and has special needs. They'd repaired the walls when they moved in 3 months ago, but they didn't have the spare cash or time to decorate the room properly. It was a blank canvas for Derek to work with, and he was keen to design a bright room inspired by Kian's love for space and the moon. And that's what he's done. The bed has a space tunnel because Kian likes making his bed into a den. Hopefully it will help him sleep better. The mural's packed with spaceships and astronauts and combines perfectly with the rocket light shade. The wardrobe's been personalised for Kian with hand-carved panels on the front. And the tread plate effect vinyl's been continued up the walls, so it's practical and works well with the bold red and blue tones.
Welcome to Kian's Mural.
Oh!
Come in. Everyone squeeze round.
Oh, wow!
Wow. Oh,
Oh,
he's
I want to look at his bed!
Oh, we've seen something like that.
His bed.
And we wanted that for him.
Wow! Oh, look, a little chair!
Well, what I've done for the design, try to be practical about things, and I've done a vinyl floor. So if there's any crayons or water on the floor mopped up, and I've also done the vinyl on the walls as well.
Oh, wow.
So I know he likes to pick wallpaper.
Yeah.
So yeah, solutions. And Hillary's mentioned about wallpaper. There's a problem with that. So what I've done a mural on the back wall, and I've actually put perspex halfway up,
Oh, brilliant.
so you can still see it, but it kind of get damaged.
That's fantastic.
So we done all that. And
That's
the idea in
ideal.
here was to be like a spaceship, so you can look outside, and I put the portholes all the way around for him, there. And I've got, again, Hillary's mentioned that he likes to have little dens.
Yeah, he loves dens.
So I thought we'll go for like this little canopy.
Yeah,
there.
we was going to get him something like that.
Yeah. Oh, this is just perfect.
It
Again,
really
I've
is.
got loads of storage for you, so you can pack toys away in there if he's not using it. So it'll be nice and tidy for him.
You wouldn't believe it, would you?
No.
And then look,
Teddy.
we've even got.
Wonderful.
There's no way he's going to sleep.
I know, isn't that great?
He even got him a little space suit as well. Do you think you like that?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
love it.
he'll love
And
that.
we've got a helmet on the cabinet there, so you can
Wonderful.
say.
see. So do you think this was practical for him?
Very.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's going to absolutely, it's just going to be fantastic for him.
He loves moons and stars and the sun, everything like that, but we'd never been able to do something like this.
No way.
It would have taken us about 10 years just to save up for this sort of thing, so it's wonderful.
Well, this first room done, and we've got 2 more surprises.
Oh, my word.
On to the next room.
Okay.
Oh, look, his name. Oh, the dog.
Oh.